Hello everyone. In the last tutorial, we discussed about what is HTML and we saw this basic example. Now we are going to discuss about the HTML elements. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and an end tag with the content residing between them. We used a very basic element here, p tag or paragraph tag. We use another one, h1, which is used for writing headings. Let's add another one between these two elements. We have br. We are using this tag here to put an empty line between h1 and p. Okay, HTML elements like br having no content are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. So just save this file and head to your browser and we'll try to see what's the change here, what's actually br tag is doing. This is output from our previous session when we didn't use our br tag. So we'll just refresh it and see there's some gap in between. So br tag is providing us with some extra line here. Okay, now comes a thing, nested HTML elements. That means HTML elements can contain elements inside themselves. We already have nested elements present here. First one is HTML tag, which contains every other tag in between it from here to here. From all the head and body content is present between HTML tags. Then we have head. It's also a nested HTML element. It contains title inside it. And the last one we have is body, which contains h1, br, and p tags inside it. And one more thing, HTML tags are not case sensitive. If you write p tag here or if you write like capital P, it's one and the same thing. But W3C, the regulatory body for all web technologies, recommends using lowercase letters to define HTML elements. Thank you guys for watching the video. In next tutorial, we will discuss about HTML attributes. Please like and comment on the video and don't forget to subscribe so that you get to know when my new videos come. Happy learning, guys.